Hello guys, I am teacher Nixon MK and I have some good news to you, especially to the parents, the learners. I also want to believe some of my followers. If you are not in high school, you either have a sister, a brother, or even a relative who might maybe be struggling, especially in mathematics and physics, and also some other sciences like biology and chemistry. And I want to let you know that from now henceforth, we'll be sharing some tutorial clips on my YouTube channel that I'm going to give you a link so that you can subscribe. And on that channel, I'll be sharing various concepts of these two subjects, and in the future, biology and chemistry will also be included. So for a start, physics and mathematics clips will be shared, and I believe this is going to help you as a learner. It's going to help your child if you are a parent. It is going to help your sister or your brother. So as we start this journey, I want to believe that you are going to support me. I'm going to support you because I believe sharing knowledge or what we have is key for our own benefits and for the benefits of all of us. So welcome you guys. Kindly subscribe and we'll move on forward together. Thanks and bye bye.